Here we're going to find the range and the standard deviation of a sample of size 10 drawn from a population. So I'm going to use a spreadsheet. First I'll copy the data, Control-C to copy. Go to my spreadsheet, Control-V to paste. Here it copied it into a row, which is fine. We can use it that way. It gave me the option if I wanted to paste values or format only. I'm just going to go with it the way it is. Now, in order to find the range, I need to know the min and the max of the data set. So for the min equals command is min, highlight the data. Max, similar. Max, highlight the data. Now I'm using Google Sheets. It works the same in Microsoft Excel or Numbers or OpenOffice Calc. Now I can find the range, which is just equal to the max minus the min. Now I could have done all that in one cell, but I usually like to see the min and the max separately. So that's good information to have. Next thing I want to find is the standard deviation. Now I'm looking for a sample standard deviation. We usually abbreviate that with S, whereas the population standard deviation, we use the Greek letter sigma. To do that, I want to start typing STD. And let's see, the STDEV standard deviation, that standard deviation of a sample. A is a sample that treats text as 0. Otherwise, it treats text, it ignores text, the STDEV. And then there's the population version, and the population where it treats text as 0. And there's a variety of reasons that text is treated as 0 or not that I'm not going to get into here. But the STDEV command is just fine. Parentheses, select the data. And there's really no point in doing standard deviation by hand, except maybe the first time or two, just to get an idea about what it means. But you could think of it as average deviation. And deviation is just how far is any particular number in the data from the mean, from the average. So on average, these numbers are about 14 units away from whatever the mean is. That's it, pretty straightforward. Always pay attention to rounding. Typically, in a data set like this, I'd want to take it one more decimal place than the given data, so I would take it to the nearest hundredth. In this particular homework problem, we were asked to take it to the nearest 2 more decimal places, to the nearest thousandth in this case. So I would state that my standard deviation is 13.903, and my range would be just 37.2. Right. That's it. Good math. See you in the future.